Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we're tackling a critical security question. Should you disable the Forgot Your Password link on your WordPress login page? Using Ultimate Security, we'll answer it and show you how to manage this feature to protect your site from brute force and phishing attacks, and prevent your email from unwanted spam password reset mail. To get started, make sure you have installed Ultimate Security. Head over to Settings, then Login and Authentication, and select Password Requirements from Login Hardening option. Make sure your toggle switch is on and set the same given settings. The default Forgot Your Password link is exploited by bots that cause floods of your server with reset emails. By disabling this, you prevent unauthorized users from triggering password reset loops and force a more secure, manual, or admin-led recovery process. To do this, find the Disable Self-Service Reset option and toggle it on. This immediately removes the link from your login screen. Now, since users can't reset it themselves, you should provide clear instructions. In the custom reset message box, add a note on how they can reach out to you if they need to reset their password. This ensures your legitimate users can get actually help from the admin side. Once you're done, click Save Changes. Now, let's see the result. On the standard WordPress login page, the Lost Your Password link is gone. Instead, your custom instructions appear clearly below the login form. This simple step significantly reduces your attack surface and keeps your site's credentials under your control. Download the Ultimate Security plugin via the link in the description and harden your WordPress security. Don't forget to check out our other videos to fully harden your WordPress. Thanks for watching.